It's day 2 of our 2023 New Year's Challenge. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. We are on day 2 of our New Year's Challenge. If you missed day 1, I'll put a link right up there where you can find the beginning of the challenge, but you can always jump in at any point or repeat any class you like whenever you're in the mood. Now today we are doing a Pilates class. It's a 10-minute one that's all about our upper body. And as a reminder, our theme for this week is I give myself permission to love my body. And it's a great reminder that loving our body also means that we know we can take a break now and then, even though 10-minute classes go quickly. When it comes to our upper body, I'm sure some of you know those 10-minute classes can be a killer. If you need a break at any point, take it. You can pause the video, you can jump in whenever you're in the mood. Roll out your mat, let's get started. Find a comfortable seat on your mat, sit up tall and straight, open up across the chest. Let's wake up our shoulders a little bit, rolling them backwards. Now make that the biggest, deepest circle you possibly can. Take your circles in the other direction. Pause, lifting out of the waist a little more. Both hands lift high over the head. Rotate your pinkies towards one another, grow an inch or two taller, and then catch your opposite elbows. Think about pulling your elbows away from one another, pushing your arms up to the sky. Let's take a little side body stretch to the right. Come on back up. A little side body stretch to the left. Come on back up. Release the hands, drop them down. Again, let's roll the shoulders backwards a couple of times. Opposite way. Again, both hands lift. Try to catch the opposite elbow in front and back, and if you can't really remember which way you went, it's okay, no big deal. Pull them away, lift out of the waist. And again, a little side body right and left at your own pace. Let that go and relax. Now, even though this class is about our arms, our chest, our upper body, let's wrap our abdominal muscles in and continue to lift out of the waist. It's almost like I'm standing next to you and I'm trying to pull you away from the floor. That's how long I want our spine to feel. With or without weights, it's okay, but I want you to start by tucking the elbows into your sides, shoulders back, ears high. Try to keep your hands in line with your elbows when they come back here. Take a big inhale. Exhale, punch the arms forward, pull them back. Exhale, punch the arms forward, pull them back. 3 more, reach them out and in. 2 more, reach them out and in. Last time, reach them out, pause. Put a tiny bend in your elbow. Did you just cave in? Can you roll the shoulders back, lift the ears higher? I want you to slide the arms open to a great big W. Exhale, pull them towards one another. Inhale, slide the hands open. Exhale, cinch the waist as you close. 3 more, open. Exhale, close. 2 more, open. Exhale, close. Last one, open, pause. Flip your palms, drop the elbows down a little bit more so that W is more distinct. Lift your ears higher, and I want you to lightly bounce your arms up and down. Just a little lift and lower of those arms, finding some movement there. Now we're going to bounce them towards one another on a count of 4, 3, 2, 1, away, 4, 3, 2, 1, together, 4, 3, 2, 1, away, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 more, 4, 3, 2, 1, open, 4, 3, 2, 1, last time together. Then right back open, pause, and hold it right here. Pull the elbows almost down, lift the ears higher, take a big inhale. As you exhale, make a diamond over your head. Inhale, drop the elbows back down. Exhale, diamond over the head. Inhale, drop the elbows down. 3 more, exhale, up. Inhale, down. 2 more, exhale, up. Inhale, down. Last one, lift the elbows high, pause. Again, are you caving your chest in? Could you poke the elbows further away? Could you lift the ears up a little higher? Touch the weights together or your hands if you don't have the weights, and we'll slowly drop our arms in front of us. On a count of 4, 3, 2, 1, lift, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 more. Slowly take the arms down, poking the elbows nice and wide. Lift them right back up. You've got this. 2 more, slowly down. Exhale, lift up. And now pause. Take a nice big inhale. Big sigh out. From here, stretch your arms up to the sky and off and away. Try to keep the arms long and straight. If there's a little bend in the elbows, that's okay. From here, slide the arms towards one another, punch them right back out. Exhale, slide the arms towards one another, punch them right back out. 3 more, pull them in and out. 2 more, pull them in and out. Last one, bring them in, pause. Rotate so your palms are facing down. Rotate so your palms are facing up. Rotate down, rotate up. 3, 2, last one. Hold, take a big breath, pull them into our starting place, sit up taller and straighter. You've got this. From here, shoulders back, ears high. I want you to externally rotate the arms. Try to poke the elbows, poke the weights behind you. My elbows are staying pinned to my side, and release. Externally rotate and release. Externally rotate, release. For 3 and 2, this time, rotate, open, and pause. Hold right there, ears high. This is kind of a funky one, but I want you to concentrate on keeping your spine still, so no jostling of our body around. Elbows tucked to the side, ears high, tummy working. Lightly pulse the weights almost back behind you on a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. 2 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Navel in. Ears high. Take a big inhale. Big breath out. Again, I want you to punch the arms out and away. Drag them back into your sides. Exhale, punch the arms out and away. Drag them back into your sides. 3 more out and in. 2 more out and in. This time, reach out, pause. Now, once more, I want you to rotate so your palms are facing down to the ground. Rotate so your palms are facing up to the sky. Think of that rotation happening way up high near your armpit. I'm really trying to rotate as much as my arms can. 3 and 2. Last one. Rotate, hold, navel in, chest open. Take a big inhale. Big breath out. Rotate so they're facing one another. Bring them all the way together. Lift it high over your head. Try to kiss your elbows in towards your ears. It's like I'm hugging my ears with my arms, lifting out of my waist. Wrap the ribs in. Bend your elbows back behind you. Exhale, punch them to the sky. Bend the elbows back behind you. Exhale, punch them to the sky. 3, 2, last one, and hold. Flip the palms so they're facing away from you. I want you to open to a tiny little V. Exhale, pull the weights together. Open them to a tiny little V. Exhale, pull the weights together. 3 more, open. Exhale, close. 2 more, open. Exhale, close. Last one, open. Close and pause. Release. Set the weights down. Sit tall and straight. How are you feeling? Did you have to take a break at some point? Remember, it's okay if you did. Let's roll the shoulders backwards. 3, 2, 1. Roll them forwards. 3, 2, One, sit up tall and straight, navel in, both hands lift high, just like we did at the start of class. Catch your elbows, poke them away from one another, punch them to the sky. This time I actually give you permission to arch your back a little bit. You might push your ribs a little forward, your sternum. You might look to the sky for a little bit of a back bend. If that's too much, skip it. Relax. And then take your right hand off to the side, cross it in front of you, give your arm a little hug, a little squeeze. Let it go, pat yourself on the back. We're gonna take a stretch there, but you can already do the little pat. Lean to your right. If you can't quite catch your elbow like I am, it's okay. You could just have your arm wherever you wanted to and poke the elbow up. That's perfectly fine. Let's do that on the other side. Left hand out and over. I'm not going to do it very much because I don't want to squish my mic, but you can pull your arm as close to you as you'd like. And then again, we take our hand back behind us. We might notice one side feels totally different than the other. It definitely does for me. And then we'll take our little side stretch over to our right. And again, you can skip the extra hand if we don't have that range of motion. Let it go. As always, my friends, give yourself a true pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. Thanks for joining me for day 2 of our New Year's challenge. I cannot wait to see you again tomorrow.